BlitzWolf Smartwatch, BW-AT2C. Let's see what's in the box first. BlitzWolf designed the box cheaply in order not to increase the cost. I used it for 2 months to experience the watch. I put it back in the box just to show what was in the box. The operating system of the smartwatch is not Android or not iOS. Therefore, the price is more affordable. But it's the only smartwatch with game in it and no Android or iOS. The charger of the watch has the same magnet system as most smartwatches, but of better quality. I have a hard time charging the smartwatch that I bought for my wife last time because it has moved from the charging socket. Most of the applications in the menu give near accurate results. It is not a professional health device, but blood oxygen and blood pressure measurement results are close to correct. One of the things I need to add while counting pros is dial pad. Dial pad makes your calls easier. Other pros of the BlitzWolf BW-AT2C have a powerful battery and a game on the smartwatch. The cons include the following: the pedometer gives different results than the iPhone pedometer. However, there is not much difference between the numbers. You are not inserting a SIM card into your watch. The size of this watch is slightly larger than other watches. There are not so many supported language options. iOS and Android applications of BlitzWolf smartwatches are also of good quality, and they do not consume your phone's battery very quickly. There are so many watch faces and it really has a very up-to-date application. Thanks to the shutter feature, you can take a photo by waving your arm. The BlitzWolf player feature works very well. The audio is currently coming out of the watch. The first ever BMW There is a call test next. We wanted to hear the sound output of the watch. The voice echoed as we were speaking from a nearby room, but its clarity was clear.
The sound you are hearing at the moment is coming from the watch, so this is the sound quality of the watch.